Hello guys, this will be the fourth video of the series when we are making the booking application RentMe with clean architecture. So in this video we are going to use GitHub and Git, and I'll show you some commands. We are going to make a repository and make our first initial commit. So let's start. First we need to create a Git repository. You will go to the GitHub and there you are going to create a new repository. Public repository name, we'll say RentMe. We'll go here and then RentMe. Description, we will not type that now, later. Add readme file, we'll change that later. Okay, that's it. We have created the empty repository. Now let's update our branch. So we have one branch, our main branch in our repository. We're going to go to settings, default branch. We are gonna change it to production. Like that. But this will be our default branch. Okay, like that. Now we are going to create a new branch. We are going to new branch. And here you are going to type development. Create new branch. And that's it. Development is created. Okay. So we have two branches, production and development. In the development branch, we are going to make our code, and the production branch we are going to make, this will be the production version of our app. So when you make some new features, add it, we are gonna push it to the production. Okay, now we are going to update this later and add some protection and things like that. But for now, let's add. Okay, let's add branches. Add the branch rule set. So in this field, you can add some rules like restrict updates and things like that. We are gonna go with that class in branch protection rule. And for example, you can type here that you need pull request to be approved before you can publish the branch. And for example, you can go with it, code owners, like that. You can go with something like that. Okay, branch name pattern. And in here, we can go something like master. We are going to create a rule set. It's not master, it's production. Production. Like that. Okay, that rule set is applied to production branch. Now we can go and add a rule. And this, for example, can be made for the development. We can say this will be for all other branches, and we can say that we don't need pull request here. You can go just create. Okay, and that's it. So now we have separate rules for production and separate rules for our development branch. Now we have some, you can go and git status, and you will see we have some untracked files. You need to add them. Git add. With this dot, you can type each file on their own, but with this dot, you are going to add all the files. And now if you go git status, you can see you have added all these files. Okay. Now we are gonna make our first commit. Git commit We're gonna type message. Okay. Initial commit. We created our first commit, but this is just locally. Now we need to publish it to our branch on GitHub. For this, we need to add the remote origin. We need to let the Git know where it should put. So you are going to go to here, your code, not production, development, like that. And now code, you need to copy this. So if we copy this, you can go here, git remote origin, that. So now you added the origin. So this says it is branch master, but we do not have the master branch on our GitHub. So we are going to change it. We're going to go git checkout. This changes the branch with branch name. So we are going to create a new branch and move all our files to that new branch. Development, like that. So now we switched new branch development. Git branch. You can see that we created a new branch development. We are going to delete the master branch. Git branch delete master. Okay. Master branch is deleted. Now you maybe remember that we have that readme file. Now if we push this, we are gonna have a conflict. But now this we need to pull the changes from the origin. Git pull origin development. So now we are going to pull the changes from the development branch. Okay. We have an error. So the error is because the branches have not related histories. We should first create the branch and then cloned it, but the problem is that we made already some code and later we created the branch on GitHub, so we are gonna type this. Okay, git merge origin development, but you're going to go allow unrelated histories. And that's it. So this command, git merge origin development, allow unrelated histories. And now we can see if we go to this, open the file explorer. Okay, let me pull it here. You can see we have that readme file. Okay, that markdown file that was on Git. And that's it. We have pulled the changes. Now we need to push them. So we are gonna make it easy by doing git repository. Is that? No. We're gonna go view git changes. That's it. Git first push origin development, like that. And it's pushed. We successfully pushed the changes. Okay. And if we go on our console logging, that's it. So development has recent pushes. Okay, as you can see, we have all this, our code is there on the development. Our application layer, domain, we have our entities, hotels, for example, hotel, we have here all our files. So now we can make pull request to the production. We're gonna go with that. a title. Let's say first pull request. Okay, we're gonna go create pull request. Okay, there needs one review, but because there is no other people, we can do this. We'll make merge pull request and confirm merge. Well, that's it. If you are on a real job, maybe your boss or like tech lead would need to approve this change and publish, and that's it. We have made successfully published to production. And now you have seen maybe that we had a problem with this because it is not synced for some reason. We are going to go here and clone it so that we can, the next videos, make it easier for us to go with Git. We're gonna use, okay, that. Okay, it is already named. Let's make rent me application. Okay, clone. Is cloned. And now here we have this step, and we can make easier use of all of this. And we are gonna, in the future, we're gonna use this. Okay, and you can now just go to the GitHub and you can clone the repo and do all other kind of stuff with just that. Okay, you can just clone the code. You can see all the code, all the source code for the application that we will be using. And that will be it for this video. So in this video I've shown the basics of GitHub. We will probably do some other changes to that, like maybe add some testing and some CI/CD. We will see. Well, this is for now on GitHub, and in the next videos we are gonna do the CQRS and the mediator pattern. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and see you guys in the next video.